Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to be doing a review on REMINI AI. Does it actually really enhance photos? That's the question we're trying to answer. Now if you're tired of blurry low quality photos ruining your memories, then REMINI AI promises to transform your old and damaged pictures into stunning high resolution masterpieces. So we're going to find out if it actually lives up to this hype. Let's dive deep into it. So you can see it's written here, the only photo and video enhancer you will ever need. Transformative technology gives you your low quality visuals a stunning HD upgrade. It helps you restore old photos to incredible detail and elevate your content to professional level. This is the demo, this is the previous, and this is afterwards. You can see what it does are the features: face enhancement, face glow, auto color, background enhancement. You can choose all the enhancements shown in the website are 100% authentic. So you can also generate photos of yourself with AI. You get professional quality photos of yourself with stunning realism with the help of AI, which is really impressive. Let's keep going. Next thing we have here is one product, endless business possibilities. Cutting-edge AI revolutionizes the process of enhancing visuals, making it more efficient than ever before. Create professional content of the highest caliber for your every business need. Social platform. You can turn your social media content into professional grade images that engage your audience. Heritage. You can bring your family history back to life with crystal clear images that capture every detail. Printing services. Upscale and enhance low quality images to achieve high quality prints in large formats. E-commerce. You can enhance the quality of your product images and boost your e-commerce sales. Education. You can create educational materials that capture the attention of students and facilitate learning. Magazines. You can create sharp high resolution photos that will make your articles pop and draw readers in. So this is the video enhancer to enhance and enlarge your videos. You can unleash the hidden potential of your videos with AI powered enhancements and enter the new era of video editing. So you want to do that, you click on discover video enhance. Next you have bye bye blur, hello high def. So details, colors and clarity are instantly enhanced in your photos and videos. Your content becomes sharper, more vibrant and more dazzling defined than you could even imagine. You can see on blur, sharpen. You can see it here. Old photo restoration, very nice. And we have the noiser, so you can even clean up every pixel in your photo, eliminating grain and noise to get a clear and sharp image that captures every detail. Remove any motion blur, camera shake or focus issues and make your images and videos look sharp and clear. You can bring your blurred, faded and damaged photos back to life, making them clearer and more vibrant than ever. It promises to obtain face enhancement, color fixer, image enlarger, so many things, and it's used by millions of people to transform their visual because it is fast, it is easy, and delivers a wow, that's amazing result with every single enhancement. These are the number of monthly active users, number of monthly downloads, and the number of enhanced photos and videos. It's a testimony from people that have used it, giving it 5 stars. So you can look at the before and after. It doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what to use. This is absolute magic. This was given by unmatched gender. So you can try REMINI now. So let us try REMINI. Let's click on try REMINI. So you have to download. This is available on mobile for generative AI, but this is not available. Okay, it's also available on mobile, I think. So you can download it. It's used by millions of people. So as you can see, unfortunately there is no free trial. There is no free trial so far, but I think we should be able to try it for free, right? Let's see what do I have to do. Let's use a way to get it for free on PC. So far I'm not seeing any way we can get it for free. Oh, that's so sad. That's so sad. Let's look at the pricing. Is there pricing? Go back to the beginning. Try REMINI again. Maybe it will help us. We would really love to say it. So as you can see, it seems there's no way we can try it for free without downloading it first. So Let's go to the pricing. Now, if you're going for pricing, the plan, we have the free plan, but you have your limited enhancement and watermarked images. Then we also have the personal plan, which is $17.99 per month, but you get up to 20 enhancements and no watermarks. Then we have the business plan, which is $24.99 per month. You get up to 20 enhancements but no watermarks. Yeah, so that's really good. So for the pros, it makes blurry photos clear. I don't think I need to mention any more pros. We've mentioned so many great things there. But for the cons, you need to pay for the best results, and sometimes the photos don't look natural, and it requires internet connection. So if it is not for you, there's some alternatives like Adobe Photoshop, Topaz Labs, Gigapixel AI, Advanced AI Image Sharpener, and Less Enhanced. So these are other alternatives, but we think it is really good and easy to use, offer impressive results, and it's worth trying for free. However, for the best experience and features, you want to consider the pro version. Like I said, if unfortunately, is it for free? Yeah, the free version is there, but like I said, so far since I'm not able to use it on the PC for whatever reason, seems I have to download it first if I want to use the pro. If I want to use it, okay, this one available only on mobile. Let's see if I can do it on this. Let's click on this. Maybe we'll be able to do it. Yeah, so that's how you get the free version. Let's do that again. Let me take you back to how it happened for us to get the free version. I knew they wouldn't let me down. No, let's go back. Yeah, let's go back. Alright, I want to show you. So from here, you want to use the free version. So you scroll all the way down. Okay, no, you click on try REMINI here, and then you choose professional enhancement here. Don't use generative AI. This is the only one that's available on mobile, but this one, just click on enhance on REMINI web for you to do the free enhancement. And next thing you do, you choose the file. You can sign in, you can sign up here. Okay, let's try and sign up. Click on sign up. So you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple. So you can't use your email, so it has to be Facebook, Google, or Apple. But if you sign up, which means I can sign up now, so if you sign up, you can enjoy this particular one which you want to do now. You choose the file, you click it here, drop it here. In the photo, you click on photo. If you video, you click on video, and then to enhance it. For this is the after, this is the before. You can see this is really nice.